Today we will actually show you something that has been on the market for quite a while. We are able to run the ActiView on a Mac, and that's not just on an iMac, that's not just on all the software. Mosimann has actually updated their ActiView software 7.05, available on their website, which is absolutely fantastic. And I will show you how to install it, how to run it, but with this small introduction I'm just making sure you understand that I'm running here a MacBook Pro Retina with 2880 pixels times 1800 pixels, and it will fill the screen absolutely perfectly. It will look super sharp and nice, and anybody out there using a Mac these days can do so with the latest ActiView software that actually embeds also the USB driver. So there's no need for installation of a USB driver. All you need to do is download the runtime engine from the Mosimann website that actually supports the latest ActiView 7.05 version, which is absolutely nice. And now I'm going to show you how to download and install and make it all run. Okay, first thing we're going to do is we open a browser. I use Safari, which is one of the fastest browsers on the market currently. We go to mosimann.com. We go to downloads, and on the screen you will see latest ActiView, which would be for a PC. We have USB drivers, which this is all for PC, we're not interested. So here it says USB driver for Mac, but we don't use it. We will download, first thing we need to download is the runtime engine 8.61, which I've already downloaded. So when you push here, it just goes to downloads. And also we have to download this folder here, which is called ActiView for Mac 7.05. So we download all of that. We don't need the source codes, nor do we need the USB drivers at this point in time. In fact, we don't need the USB driver because they're part of this new ActiView for Mac 7.05. So once we've downloaded everything, we go to downloads. We open downloads in the folder, and we can see the LiveView runtime engines 8.6, which we would double click and install. As soon as we installed everything, we can open the ActiView folder that we've also downloaded and double click on 7.05. Now please remember, this is running on a MacBook Pro with Retina display, so we're all worried that we won't see the entire screen upon this screen, so we have to move left and right and up and down, which of course it's been programmed so nicely that we don't have to do this. Now of course we can still see the dock. When we go to dock, we can get rid of the dock, and now we see ActiView very beautifully. When I switch on the ActiView and I load a configuration file, exactly basically the same as on a PC, which I don't have any other configuration files. It's the one that's called default. I just open that and I go to monopoly display, I press start, and very wonderfully we can see the waveforms toggling across the screen. Now we can go to offsets, we can do basically everything that we can do on Windows as well, which is really nice because a lot of people use ActiView on a Mac or want to use it on a Mac, and ever since Mosimann has programmed this feature, we can all download the software from their website and take immediate advantage of a great software running on a Mac today, whether it be a MacBook Pro with Retina or without Retina, or an iMac or any Mac with an OS above, I think it's 10.6, which every Mac should have today. So this is really nice, and I think that concludes the demonstration running Mac with ActiView, which is very nice.